So this is going to be a reading for the sign of Scorpio, all that I need to know for the next 72 hours. So what's coming towards you? So let's start. What's your overall energy going to be like for the next 72 hours? So we have a card. We have Eight of Swords. So some of you guys might be finding yourself stuck in a situation. It could be a relationship, work, or family situation, and you guys are not being able to get out of it or find a way out of it. You still feel stuck and miserable there. Okay, not exactly miserable, but are not being able to let go of it. Okay, so if something controls a Scorpio, they don't like it, right? So I believe you guys are still trying to find a way out. Okay, top card we have is the Sun card. I believe you need to think positively for yourself to get out of it. If you're going to be too concerned of the outcome going against you, then you're going to stay stuck forever. You got to believe in yourself. You got to take chances, and you got to move towards what's best for you. Okay, in terms of what's coming your way. I believe with Seven of Swords, darling, you guys are dealing with someone who's a bit deceptive, someone who uses mind games, blame games to keep you stuck, to possibly have power over you. This individual, he or she, is not to be trusted. Okay, and I believe you are trying to ignore them, but you're not being very successful in that. Okay, top like bottom card we have is Ace of Swords. So some of you guys could be waiting on clarity or some sort of news coming your way. Okay, top card we have is Hanged Man. So this person has kept you stuck, he or she. If it's not a romantic situation, this could be a family or work thing. Okay, in terms of what can you expect, what can Scorpios expect? Some of you guys might be having an affair with someone who is married. Okay, so that could be the reason why you guys cannot like really make things official. So it's like a secretive relationship. Okay, in terms of what to expect, we have Page of Pentacles, which speaks about messages. Someone wanting to message you, or possibly trying to initiate a conversation. With Page of Swords, in the past and now as well, this person has been keeping a watch on you. This person, for selected few of you, could be younger. It doesn't have to be, but could be. I see this person having air placements very strong: Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Okay, in terms of how do they think about Scorpio now? With the Sun card, I believe this person definitely wants to get your attention. Okay, in the past as well, with the Fool card, they were wanting to see where things could go with you. Right now with Ten of Pentacles, I believe I do not know if you guys have met this person through work or you guys have a work situation, but this person is definitely thinking about you. Okay, and not just that, they might even consider what if we go towards commitment or think of a commitment. Okay, with the High Priestess, this person won't say that directly to you, but they are thinking about it. Okay, one more card in terms of their feelings. So what are their honest feelings towards you? With Six of Wands, this person wants your attention for sure. This person is someone who gets a lot of attention as well, but they like it when it's coming from you. It kind of makes them feel good. Okay, it's kind of an ego booster as well. For selected few of you, you might be someone who's very good looking, and your attention means something to them. Okay, top card we have is Queen of Wands, so they are very much sexually attracted to you, and I see them giving you a lot of attention in the next couple of days. Okay, if they haven't been. Okay, with the bottom card with the High Priestess, selected few of you, this person could have gone silent quite recently. Okay, one more card in terms of their intentions towards you. Intention with the Queen of Wands, this person definitely wants to take action. This person wants to take that step forward. With Two of Cups, for many of you, if you guys have taken a break from each other, or were not on like communication terms with each other, then I believe this person will take that step forward. Not just that, they are going to also come forward and offer you some sort of stability. Okay, In terms of that, what action are they want to take towards you now? Okay, we have the devil. So things might also get very sexual between the two of you very soon. Okay, if the things were very much platonic, I believe things would get boom boom very soon. Okay, and with Wheel of Fortune, they will want to initiate or take steps towards that if things haven't been quite physical between the two of you. Okay, in terms of where things are going for Scorpio. Ace of Wands. Many of you guys will end up having a lot of good sex in the coming weekend. Okay. Top card we have is Three of Cups. So definitely a union card. You guys will not just have a good sexual time, but a good overall time as well. You guys are going to possibly go out on a date as well for some of you. Maybe even clubbing with couple of your other friends as well. Okay. One more card. In terms of what you need to know about this individual, what does Scorpio need to know about this individual? With Four of Pentacles, this person is someone who doesn't like to express much, say much, or try to promise you much. Okay, but they are definitely wanting to come forward. I see this person being very practical. They might be someone who expresses their love sexually, not emotionally. Okay, in terms of what needs to change in this connection. With Two of Pentacles, I believe you guys need to stop over analyzing the situation. Secondly, if someone has been keeping options, you or them, you guys need to focus on one. If it's not this one, then the other one. If it's not the other one, then completely this one. Okay. In terms of that, you guys also need to focus on the balance of the connection and finding that peace, that same wavelength, because if things go on and off and you guys are on one side and the other person is on the other side, things are going to get messed up. This person is eventually going to distance themselves and things are going to get back to step one. Okay, so you don't want that, right? With Judgment card, you already have got that awakening or that awareness that what needs to be done, but you just need to take that step. Okay. In terms of where things are going to be going overall for Scorpio for the next 72 hours. We have the High Priestess again, which speaks about you guys need to focus on your intuition. I believe many of you guys have gone silent quite recently because there's lots of fears, insecurities, problems, questions that are popping in your head right now, and you just want your peace. You just want to stay away so that you could sort your shit out. Okay, so definitely top card we have here is Nine of Cups. This time I believe you just need to stay focused on your goals, your happiness, and your possible, it's okay to be selfish at this time, because I believe you are not in a good space to completely jump towards a relationship commitment or something like that, because I don't see you being in a good mind space right now. You're a little mind fucked, to be honest. Okay, for whatever reason. With Nine of Swords, you guys are not even getting proper sleep. If you guys are getting sleep, then you guys still feel tired at the like when you start your day, and that's not good, that's not healthy. With Page of Swords, I believe you guys are also a little cautious, little defensive. Okay, and the bottom card we have is Ten of Pentacles. Some of you guys are very focused on your finances as to what's going to happen, where things are going. If it's not finances, then it could be about commitment, where things are going for me. Will I ever get that person? Like will I ever be in a commitment, long-term commitment? All sorts of questions. So let's see love messages for you. I was not wanting to get my emotions attached, and I ruined it for us. So for many of you, this person did not want to get their emotions attached, and they ruined it for you. Like they sabotaged the connection. For some of you, this person is not someone who likes to get emotionally involved, and that could have fucked up, because every time you expected something from them, they never showed up or they never said anything, and that triggered you. Okay. Second message we have is my heart is closed off. Sorry for being so hard to love. For some of you, this message could go vice versa. Scorpio could be doing this. So take it however it resonates. This is a general reading, so can't be 100% accurate, right? Bottom card we have is I want to spend more time with you in your arms. Okay, so this person definitely wants to spend more time with you. Okay, so this is all I have for you for Scorpio. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button to let me know in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to continue watching this channel. And thank you so much for coming in, and I hope you have a great weekend. Cheers.